Good morning guys! Ang aga kong nagising ngayon dahil gusto kong mag-jogging. So, jogging tayo. Okay? Hello! May muta pa yata ako. Across the street, yan yung kay Trump National Doral Golf Course. Super laki ito. Parang siguro mga 0.5 miles yung ano ba nito? Hindi distance. Yung kalakihan niya. So 0.5 miles. So ayun. I already reached at this point. Ito yung ko. Yan yung post na yan. Yun ng ko, stop point ko. And then turning back now to my place. So let's go and run again. Hey, ayan, araw na. May araw na. Pauwi na ako. So punti na lang. Mga 10 minutes na lang para makarating ko sa bahay namin. And then get ready to work. So yun na yun yung araw ko. Okay, walking tayo mga 1 minute lang. Yun yung rest time ko. And then continue na naman mag-jogging. Yeah, okay, let's go. Ang ganda ng sunrise. So nice to see this in the morning. At least. Tapos yung kalsada hindi pa masyado busy, wala pa masyadong traffic. So it's really great. And yun na yun. This is how I really wanted to start my day. Work out in the morning before going to work. I'm here. So, duman ako sa mailbox namin. Nag-check ako kung anong meron sa mailbox namin. And look what I found. Meron akong free from Victoria's Secret. Then, 2 free panties. Tsaka may coupon na $45 daw. Strapless bra and panty. So, iwan ko kung yun ang bibilihin ko. I'm not really planning to buy anything except for the 2 free panties. So, Victoria's Secret. Yes. So, ito nga.
Hey, I'm here. Oh, you are? Okay. Alright. Okay, I'm pulling up now. Alright, bye.
This is the newest carnival. Carnival Vista. May shuttle kasi na pumupunta rito every 30 minutes yata. Dito sumasakay yung mga crew members. Tapos $5 ang bayad papunta ng Miami downtown. Lumabas na sila para magbili ng mga grocery or either mag-grocery or mag-shopping. Yun lang. Ang terminal, lahat na nag-embark yung mga guest. So mga ano na ngayon oras, 3 PM na. So by 4:30 this ship will sail. So right now nagano na mga luggages na lang ang ilo-load nila, pero yung mga guest nandun na sa loob. So mga crew members nagsibalikan na sa sa barko. And that's the little deck on top there. Ayun Paisa-isa nang bumalik ang mga crew members sa barko. Vegetarian daw.
I need to call Mary Jane. She hasn't called me.
Maybe they're fine now.
Huh?
Maybe their husband is fine now. So this is the restaurant, Zouk Mediterranean, right? Zouk Mediterranean? Yeah, okay. This one.
You don't, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. So first time we come in here, then we'll see what they have. Oops. Right here, Vince. What?
You can order.
But what you ordered? I ordered. Okay. So we have vegetarian, gluten-free, soy-free. This is what I have. It's all vegetables, water. Bon appetit. Binalik ko yung pagkain dahil yung bulgur wheat parang panis, it's sour, so I just changed my order. So instead of bulgur wheat, I will have just regular rice and veggies. Yun lang. Yeah, so they are not preparing my order. It's the same. We're here in Whole Foods. Mga organic dito. Grocery kami ng vegetables and fruits. So, alright. I want to try this toothpaste. Sensitive kasi yung teeth ko. So it says here, this one. Oh, this is good. I will try this. Kiss my face. Or salad bars. to have this potato and mixed vegetable samosas. Marami naman silang vegetables. We cannot eat meat again as usual. Masarap yan with mango chutney. So ito lang ang binili namin. And that's it, mag-cash out na ako.